Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you're going to learn how to make this bag tutorial. First we start by taking out our measurements using this particular paper. I'm actually using this paper to draft out my bag because my marker is limited. Then you take out your measurement, and then next this is going to serve as a side. This is 16.5 inches and then 1.5 inches and 2.5 inches respectively. This is going to serve as the side of the bag because this is the kind of shape I want my bag to take. This is going to serve as the cover of the bag, 6.5 inches, 5 inches for this part, 5 inches for this part, then 7 inches horizontally. This is going to serve as my midpoint where the back clip would enter. So you can see that I've taken out my measurement already. Okay, so next I'm going to use my glue and then carefully place my material upon it, on top of it. Then make sure I stretch it so I will not see any creases. And then with my scissors I'm going to cut out the excesses. So now I'm going to fold the sides. So in order to make my sides very neat, I'm going to cut it this way. Alright, and with my glue carefully fold the edges. Alright, I'm going to carefully fold the edges very well because I want to achieve a very neat work. Okay, so just take your time to carefully fold this area, applying your glue generously because as to achieve a very good work. So this is for my sides. I'm going to also use my glue, place my material on it, and I'm going to carefully allow it to stay well. So this is for my sides. You don't need to cut for the lining. You don't need to take a lot of measurements. Just place your marker on top of it, take some measurements, give some spacing for more. Now the space at the top is going to be enough for this particular, for the sides. Okay, so just cut your lining this way. So you also cut out this 1.5 inch of Ankara fabric. Now you're going to place it. The reason is because you're going to place it this way on top of the lining so that it will make the bag look continuous. Now see the reason, the aim for this. You're going to place, after it has been sewn this way, then this is your marco. So this is serving as a side. So this side is going to be folded to place so that it can be continuous. So this is the cover of the bag. Okay, and then this is serving as, either I call it the cover or the flap. This is for the bag holder, 3 inches and 1 inch for the width. I'm actually going to cut it this way so that it would have this type of shape so that the ring can pass through as well. And then this will serve as my bag handle, 16 inches and 0.75 inches. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing I've been doing for others. As you can see, I've already wrapped clothed all with my Ankara fabric. And then this is for the size. I'm going to come in by 1 inch, and exactly at that 1 inch spot I'm going to place this at the middle. So for my midpoint, I'm going to find, this is 4 inches for this down part, so I'm going to find my midpoint, which is 2 inches. So I'm going to make a mark. This is where, and then draw out these points because this is where my middle point would be. All right, so I'm going to use my scissors. So I'm going to use my mini screwdriver, and I'm going to make an incision there. Then carefully cut out that part. Make sure you don't cut so much so that that place wouldn't be loose. Okay, so it's going to be firm. Taking my time to cut and not to exceed the point I have made. Okay, so next I'll be putting my back clip, all right, at this point. So do well to like, share, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the completion of this video.